What are you making?
I'm making pie dough.
Pie dough.
Yes.
Pie dough.
My parents want pie. I'm making pie.
What kind of pie?
I don't know. We have raisins and peaches and apples. Probably raisin peach and apple pie.
Raisin peach and apple pie.
Yeah.
Is that your trademark signature pie?
I use whatever I have on hand. Okay, this is good.
Now what are you doing?
I'm making my dough rounds for the bottom and top of the pie. And I'm folding it over and over again. So it's a flaky pie crust. We're gonna put this in the fridge for maybe an hour, maybe 2, depending on how patient we are.
Are we patient?
I don't know, are we? See, now the skin comes right off. No problem.
So you parboil it for
you just
10 seconds?
Yeah, throw it in some hot water for like a minute or 2, and then throw it into a bath of ice water, and the skin will peel. Well, this one's not as good, but skin usually peels right off. There we go.
What'd you add to the apples and peaches?
Sugar and cinnamon, and I have raisins in the pot over there on the stove that I'm gonna add to this.
Why are you putting butter in there?
Butter makes everything taste better. I think I put too much butter. Probably should have added that to this, but don't want to mess with the glass bowl.